channel, if I'm talking with like a little bit of a lisp or like seeming like I can't talk as right, it's because I can't. I got my braces tightened yesterday and they really hurt bad. So I'm kind of talking different. On the bottom, they really hurt. They put gaps in between each of my teeth, so the gaps are really closing right now. So they hurt more than normal. And I got red. Today's video is going to be school shopping. I'm trying to talk as normal as I can, but it hurts really bad. But yeah, we're gonna be school shopping today. I can't even say that word. I'll put a timestamp right here of what time it actually is. I think it's like 3 o'clock or something. But yeah, my teeth are killing me. Yeah, my sister has been inside forever now. Come on, hon. I mean, come on. Cooking in this car. They don't have any room. Is $4 a good price? I don't know. Not really. I mean, the pen isn't bad for all those pens. If you need pens, I would get this. Sharpies? Maybe you can find them cheaper.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
184 is good?
Yeah, for sure.
$10 though. They also have like good pens at the dollar store, to be honest. Like, no joke. These are $10. I love the clip ones. And the ballpoint.
Ooh.
$9.
I really like those.
I know, but they're $10. That's like too much for just pens.
1, 2, 3, 4. You get 10, so it's like $1 per each. It's not that bad if you look at it that way.
I mean, these are only $5. Why are these only $5?
The colors are booty.
Compared to like the lime green. It's... You don't need any of this. This is actually sad. We're shopping for school stuff right now.
I would have got that
247 now? I thought they were like, used to be like...
That's because these are the 5 stars right now.
No. What?
I used to always get the like simple. I don't even see them.
It's gonna be hard for me though, because I don't know if I got into CIT yet, so I don't know what classes I'm gonna have.
I would just get like 5 notebooks.
Okay, so we're going basic because I don't know really my classes. I don't see the ones we usually get here.
Yeah, I don't either. I think they changed them to like they're not paper anymore, they're plastic. But they're 50 cents. I mean, that's really not a bad deal at all.
It's not bad, no, but...
Look, they have a pink one, 25 cents. What the heck? They have yellow, lime green. I like all these vibrant colors.
Yeah, but that's not the right price because that says 70 count pages and this is 100 count.
So it's these ones then? No, this is 80. What the heck?
Everything's so confusing here.
Yeah, nothing's organized at all. And usually they do a really good job at it.
It's probably already like sorted through. Should we go to Target maybe? Because I really cannot understand.
I think so. It's worth the organization to pay like a few extra cents.
Okay, so we'll put this back on. Yeah, because how they have this organized, it's just a mess.
High school, like the less crap that you want. Like stickers, notebooks, folders, keep it simple, some pencils, pens, and that's it.
This is cute.
Yeah, I like that.
But
it's going to get mad dirty though.
I know. Like, I wouldn't get something like this. Like, this is just, like, not me. I feel like Target would have a better selection, because look at this.
Target is stuff is more talented.
It is. So these are the same price as these, and these are, like, more vibrant, and it comes with way more. So... The jumbo ones are way more expensive, and the skinny ones, you get more for cheaper. And I guess the skinnier ones are better anyways. Okay. Ballpoint pencil, even though these have some red, or they don't, but I want lots of red anyway because I use red a lot. That's a better deal.
Always are like, can I get a piece?
No, you can't. Yeah. What you mean the system is busy? We're successful. I don't know. for a frozen Coke because my teeth are killing me. I got a Whopper Jr. as well. I'm gonna like chew on it and suck on it before I eat it like a little baby. I can't even open my mouth that wide. I can't even flex my teeth.
That's how it was when I got my tonsils out. I could not open my mouth.
Can't even enjoy my food. I have to eat like a baby. That's cute. Like that like bubblegum pink color. But I learned from 2 years ago when I got a pink book bag, I learned that if you wear a different shade of pink with a pink book bag, it doesn't look right because the pinks don't match. And I'm very matching, so it kind of annoyed me. We're outside below. We didn't come for school supplies, but I guess they have school supplies. $2 for $5? Girl, I don't like that kind, but that's a good deal. Oh my gosh! Okay, that is a good deal. Carly, 2 for $5.
Ooh, look at this.
But they're like skinny and cheap, and I won't be able to stand them. Like I like the thick kinds over like the like skinny kinds. You know,
I like this, like pastel.
So I'm obviously going to be coming back like after the first day of school when I know what I actually need, but for now I'm just getting like the basic necessities. I'm actually someone that takes lots and lots of notes, so this will definitely be gone by the first semester. I'm gonna get 5. These are only 99 cents. Maybe some blue. I don't need like staplers, scissors, glue, anything like that. It's kind of like middle school stuff. It's not like paper folders, but they're not like flimsy. They're actually really good. So the 5-star ones are $1.25. These cheap ones, which always rip, are 50 cents. So I'd rather spend 50 cents more to get something that's not gonna break. I don't like these kind. I don't like this, like the thin paper. Those are 15 cents, so. So we got our folders and we got our notebook. I don't want a binder if I don't need one. I'm actually going to find out if I need one because I don't want to clutter up my book bag if I don't need one. I'm trying to pack light, unlike my other video where I literally bought everything in sight. I bought freaking slap band, rulers, and all that. Like, that is not necessary, especially junior year. I feel like I'm just going to learn. Like, I'm not going to make friends. I'm not going to chit chat and communicate and mess around. I'm going to learn and I'm getting out. This is the exact slap band that I got in my one. I have this slap band roller. I know, I'm a kid, but it's like this little roller. It's like pink and glittery because, you know, anything pink and glittery I'm obsessed with, and it's a slap band. So boom, you never forget your roller, never lose it, never get it stolen,
unless it's somebody borrows it and like steals it, because it's so cool. But yeah,
I'm definitely just like visual. So if you write something on the board, I'll learn best that way rather than doing a freaking project. It's just a waste of time to me. I do want a pencil case though. Something simple like this. This is $5. Why is it $5 for a freaking pencil case? I don't want like the little rectangular ones. I don't want like this. I don't want the hard plastic ones. It just takes up too much room that I don't want cluttering up my book bag. Hey guys, so I am here editing, realizing that I don't even have an actual outro, and that's the last clip that I have recorded for some reason. So I forgot to film an outro or something, or I just didn't have time. I ended up not getting a pencil case because I couldn't find like just a simple plain one, and they probably would have one like at the dollar store that's like just like a little pouch. We didn't go anywhere else after Target. We just went home. I just never filmed an outro. But yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what types of other school related videos you would want me to do. If you want to see like school hairstyles, school makeup looks, or things like that. Also, I'm on the road to 100K. Again, like in every other video, I'm gonna say it all the time until we get there. Also, I'm going to be doing a giveaway at 100K. I don't know if it's going to be on school supplies, just because school will probably already be started by the time I hit 100K, so that's why I'm not doing a school giveaway. And tell everyone you know to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I love all of you so much, and bye guys.
Do you want me? Do you love me?